Withdrawing money from your Uber account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transfer. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your driver account to access your earnings. Step 2. Navigate to Earnings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Earnings to view your current balance and recent trips. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. In Earnings section, look for the option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as Cash Out or Withdraw. Tap on this option to proceed. Step 4. Choose Withdrawal Amount. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Select the desired amount, keeping in mind any minimum or maximum limits set by Uber. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Make sure to check your bank account after a short while to ensure the funds have been successfully deposited. Following these steps will help you easily manage your earnings from Uber.